Hello, everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to verify a Facebook business page. Step 1, go to Security Center in Meta Business Suite and click Start Verification. Step 2, provide your business details, including the legal business name, address, phone number, and website. Step 3, confirm your business details. And Step 4, choose a method to confirm your connection. A confirmation code will be sent if you choose email, phone, text message, or WhatsApp to confirm via domain verification, then follow these steps. For the email, the domain of your business email must match the domain of your website. For domain verification, you must have admin access to your site's web host or DNS provider. When you're finished, click Done. After you submit your verification, a decision can be made in as little as 10 minutes and as long as 14 business days. You will receive a notification when the review is completed, and if you receive a confirmation that your business is verified, there is nothing more to do, and that's it. Thanks for watching.